nice her video, guys. I'm there in her live stream. I make this one. That's why this not black, brown. I forgot. I'll smell. Mike, hi Mike. Shout out to Mike. You look good, my friend. Enjoy. Thank you, my friend, for running us. Guys, please support that guys, for traveler, guys, yeah. Then this 470 senior, please support also. Martis, now I got and get me also. Okay, Ma'am Patricia. Not crunchy now because 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours this one from I make 3 hours. I sleep first after I eat. Because I will not watch a movie. Guys, and for Chrissy Fam, please support for Chrissy family also, guys. And that's 70 senior, guys, okay? Good lunch, Martes. Live love this dinner. Dinner for me. For you, Lance, for you. Dinner also for you, right? Enjoy your dinner, host. You're welcome. Thank you, Ma'am Ashley. I have also another hair. This Labna. This one, you know Takis, guys. This one. You know these foods is trending in TikTok. This one. See? This Takis chips. I don't want this, but I will make. This is nice. I will try. Use more hot. You try this one. This bell pepper. Bell pepper small. Yeah, small bell pepper. And you put labanani cheese. Not hot. Not hot. Not hot. Ooh, not spicy. Not more spicy. Ano tuloy hello, Martis, you boss my appetite when watch your video. My appetite is normally low. Ano tuloy my friend, I will watching your video, okay? Yeah, see guys.